So one of the things you could do at Gold Reef City is the heritage tours, which is the older houses. Let's go and have a look at that. Hey, thanks for watching this YouTube video, and to all those who've subscribed, thank you to you, and thank you for sharing the channel as well. If you haven't subscribed yet, click the button down below and click subscribe, and also click the bell for notifications. Always striving to bring you some great content, and there's more to come.